Hello everyone, so I got a brand new device here. This is from Shopee, and yep, let's take a look what's inside of this black box. Oh yeah, and this is actually a triple WT3110A and three-way pen hit. What is that? Okay, that's okay. Oh, this is the wow. This is awesome, I think. Yeah. Woo. Let's this is the from Shopee. This is actually not expensive. This is cheap. 33.400. It's around $2.3. So it's really cheap actually. And this is the content. Oh, it's because I'm using only my left hand here because I don't have any. That's why I buy this one, because I'm gonna use it to, so later I can use this to open. I'm gonna use my. Okay, cool. And sorry for that. I'm gonna use. Wow, this is, what is this? This is like a holder. Yep, and ta-da! Finally. Oh yeah. Is there something else? Nothing. Only this one. And let's try to. So it'll be like this later, and oh yeah, so it should be like this. And where's, oh, so this is, it will be here. Wait, so it will be like this, and wow, this one has three level of, how to say this one. That's okay, but we can extend the feet. Let me try. So it can be like this. This is a bit higher, a bit around 1 meters. So yeah, and nice. We can put our phone here. We can put our phone here, and etc. There's also, that's okay. And yep. So we can put our phone here like this. I think this is almost same like Ellen Angel used in her channel. Yep, there's something here. Like that. So this is it. And yeah, I got something here. And that's all. Thank you guys. Bye bye. And the next thing that we will gonna unbox is this guy. This is actually a wireless mouse, and this is from, oh, this is my real name, it's be secret. This is from Lazada. The other one, the previous one is from Shopee, I think. And this one is 99,000, so it's around $7. So that's the clue what inside. So it's start by using a knife. Blah, blah. And here you go. This is actually from China. So oops, S100 plus wireless mouse. Ooh, the frequency is 4 gigahertz. DPI frequency 1600 DPI dot per inch. DPI means dot per inch. So the higher this value, the precision will be good. That's all I think. And this is the USB port. And if you understand this, then you are an amazing person, I mean. Let's take a look, guys. See. Oh, so there's also something like this. what is this actually? So this is means that, oh my god, I don't understand, just leave it like that. And also this is also Chinese. So oh, what is this? I hope I can understand. So this is the battery from, we should put the battery from here. Oh, this is black, I thought it was gray. Nice. So yeah, so this is the, yep, like this. We can put a battery like this, alkaline. Yo, nice. Just open it and put it here. And where's the, oh sure, okay. And where's the USB? Oh, this one. So we're gonna put this to our laptop. Okay, pretty nice. Nice. So we can try right now. Okay, we back. So we just put this here. Actually, you should know this one, so I need to record it. And here we go. It's detected here. 2.4 receiver, and there is a switch here. There is a switch here. So it's off right now, and then we can turn it to on. So yep, like that I think. So it's set up and ready to go, but somehow it's not a, maybe I put a wrong oil. Sorry, it's wrong. Maybe like this. That's okay. Finally, wrong like first time. So that is the, what is this? No, I don't know. So this is it. This is our new wireless mouse, and we can play, finally we can play. Yep, I can play Horse Riding Tales here like this, and do some video editing, I mean not edition, what the that's okay. And I think that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna be uploading this video soon to YouTube, and this is really nice. Yeah, the click is really nice, very nice, soundless. Yeah, so I'm gonna be, I think that's all, and then thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.